We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro TimeCutter with a 42-inch cutting deck. This mower has a 42-inch fabricated cutting deck. It is the Toro iron forged cutting system. The seat, which has the ventilation for the back. This does have a 3-gallon fuel tank. It does have a 22 horsepower Kohler engine and uses the Hydro Gear ZT 2100s. Okay. Here you have your controls, your PTO, your choke, as well as your throttle. And it does have a plastic chute. This Toro model does also have the deck wash port here so you can clean the underside of your deck. You have your cutting height adjustment right here. It's gonna cut between 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. Once again, that is the Toro TimeCutter with a 42-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make a great package deal for you.